听，听。
Listen. Hear.
Listen. Hear.
听音乐，听音乐。
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
爸爸喜欢听古典音乐。爸爸喜欢听古典音乐。
Dad likes to listen to classical music.
Dad likes to listen to classical music.
弟弟喜欢听摇滚音乐。弟弟喜欢听摇滚音乐。
My brother likes to listen to rock music.
My brother likes to listen to rock music.
听歌曲，听歌曲。
Listen to songs.
Listen to songs.
妈妈喜欢听经典歌曲。妈妈喜欢听经典歌曲。
Mom likes to listen to classic songs.
Mom likes to listen to classic songs.
姐姐喜欢听流行歌曲。姐姐喜欢听流行歌曲。
My sister likes to listen to popular songs.
My sister likes to listen to popular songs.
听说，听说。
Hear of. Be told.
Hear of. Be told.
听说他下个星期一坐飞机来北京。听说他下个星期一坐飞机来北京。
I heard that she will fly to Beijing next Monday.
I heard that she will fly to Beijing next Monday.
听话，听话。
Obedient.
Obedient.
他是个听话的孩子。他是个听话的孩子。
He is an obedient child.
He is an obedient child.
听你的，听你的。
Listen to you.
Listen to you.
你的主意很好，我们都听你的。你的主意很好，我们都听你的。
Your idea is great. We all listen to you.
Your idea is great. We all listen to you.
听见，听见。
Hear.
Hear.
你能听见我说话吗？你能听见我说话吗？
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
听不清楚，听不清楚。
Cannot hear you clearly.
Cannot hear you clearly.
这里很吵，我听不清楚。这里很吵，我听不清楚。
It's very noisy here. I can't hear clearly.
It's very noisy here. I can't hear clearly.
不想听，不想听。
Don't want to hear it.
Don't want to hear it.
我不想听，请你别说了。我不想听，请你别说了。
I don't want to hear it. Please don't say it.
I don't want to hear it. Please don't say it.
听懂，听懂。
Understand.
Understand.
你听懂他说的话吗？你听懂他说的话吗？
Did you understand what she said?
Did you understand what she said?
我没听懂他说的话。我没听懂他说的话。
I didn't understand what she said.
I didn't understand what she said.
听到，听到。
Hear.
Hear.
你有听到什么坏消息吗？你有听到什么坏消息吗？
Did you hear any bad news?
Did you hear any bad news?
听到了，我们公司下个月要裁员。听到了，我们公司下个月要裁员。
Yes, I did. I heard that our company is laying off staff next month.
Yes, I did. I heard that our company is laying off staff next month.
你听到我说话了吗？你听到我说话了吗？
Do you hear what I say?
Do you hear what I say?
听着，听着，
Listen.
Listen.
我在听着呢。我在听着呢。
I'm listening.
I'm listening.
你听，你听，
Listen.
Listen.
你听，是不是有人在叫你？你听，是不是有人在叫你？
Listen. Is someone calling you?
Listen. Is someone calling you?
我看一下。是我的朋友。我看一下。是我的朋友。
Let me see. Yes, it's my friend.
Let me see. Yes, it's my friend.
谢谢观看。